Power isn't just about dominance or charisma. It's about necessity. If people need you, they can't get rid of you. If you're indispensable, you're untouchable. This is the heart of Law 11. Learn to keep people dependent on you. Welcome back to Power Pages, where we uncover the raw, unfiltered truths about strategy, influence, and control. Today we explore one of the most critical and overlooked laws, the core of power: control through need. At its core, Law 11 is about dependency, not manipulation for manipulation's sake, but positioning yourself so that others rely on your talents, your ideas, or your resources. Why does this matter? Because people are loyal, not always by love, not always by admiration, but by need. The moment they no longer need you, you become expendable. But if you are the key to their success, to their comfort, or to their survival, they won't dare let you go. Let's break it down. Historical example: the power of dependency. Consider the story of Niccolò Machiavelli, the Italian political philosopher who inspired generations of leaders and manipulators. While he advised princes to be feared rather than loved, he also warned them to never give their subordinates too much independence. The smart ruler, Machiavelli said, ensures that those below him cannot succeed without him. That's how you maintain loyalty, not by kindness, but by making yourself the source of their success. This is how Cardinal Richelieu operated in 17th century France. He didn't rule with brute force. He built systems where everyone's career flowed through him. He had the king's ear. He controlled appointments, grants, and political favor. Everyone wanted something from him, and he gave just enough to keep them dependent. Modern example: the tech genius. Now imagine a modern workplace. You're a software engineer. You've built tools no one else understands. You know the system inside out. When something breaks, they call you. When someone new joins, they need your guidance. Without realizing it, you've made yourself irreplaceable. Your manager may not love you. Your colleagues may be envious, but they can't function without you, and that gives you power. Quiet, subtle, and effective. Mistake to avoid: giving away too much. Here's where people fail. They train others too well. They delegate too freely. They share all their secrets, all their systems, all their tricks. Sharing knowledge can be good, but in the world of power, oversharing is dangerous. If people can do what you do, why would they keep you around? Robert Greene warns us, the more you are relied upon, the more freedom you have. Freedom is born from necessity. The balance: give just enough. You don't want to be a tyrant, but you also don't want to be a commodity. The key is calculated generosity. Help others succeed, but ensure their path to success runs through you. Be the connector, be the specialist, be the one with the unique insight, the rare skill, or the irreplaceable relationship. Let them rise. Just make sure they can't do it without you. The harsh truth: love is optional. Need is not. People may forget what you said, they may forget what you did, but they will never forget how much they needed you when everything was on the line. And that is the safest place to be in any hierarchy, right at the center of everyone's need. So remember Law 11. Learn to keep people dependent on you. Don't just be liked, be needed. Because power doesn't always come from control. It often comes from necessity. If you found this breakdown valuable, subscribe for more deep dives into the hidden rules of influence. And as always, stay sharp, stay subtle, and never stop learning the laws of power. This was Power Pages. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Click here to watch the next part.